What's the meaning of arise? Arise. Arise.
Arise. Arise. The word arise means to happen, to occur or to come into existence. When something arises, it comes to the surface, emerges or becomes visible. It can refer to a situation, an idea, or a problem that has suddenly manifested itself. The result of something arising can vary depending on the context in which it is used, but it is often associated with a change or shift in circumstances. For example, a problem that arises may require a solution, while a new opportunity that arises may offer potential for growth or advancement.